Hey guys, good afternoon from the Gulf of Mexico, or somewhere out there. I think I'm near Key West or Havana, something like that. But I'm going to give you all the full tour of the Carnival Sunrise, so come along and join us. And before we get started, I know I'm wearing the wrong attire. I'm wearing my Disney apparel, but just kind of want to feel, the shirt feels good and it's comfortable, so figured I was wear that. And also, it's one of my favorite hats to wear. Okay, so starting off from the top here, you got your little slides here. And right here is the adult section. You got to be 21 and older to go. They're kind of relaxed, so we're not going to go in here and look at it. It's got some pools and hot tubs and all good stuff. And across in here, you're going to have your obstacle course, and there's also a putt-putt area too. We're going to go out there just a little second, but we're going to walk around. But check out the views as well, though, while we're touring around. It is a beautiful day out here. But I will say it is pretty packed. Also, details won't use the slide. Max weight 300 pounds and need to be 42 inches or taller. So, pretty basic. Okay, and on the bottom here, like I said, you got your little splash area for the kids, and you got your whole pool deck here, and you got your big old TV. Okay, so you got over here, you got two bars over here. You got the Blue Iguana and the Red Rum bar. Two pretty good bars. They each got different kind of drinks there. They kind of taste the same, but they're different, just called different stuff. But they each have like each kind of, like unique kind of drink out there. So if you're on the Sunrise or any kind of Carnival cruise, make sure you check out the Blue Iguana or the Red Rum bar. And here is another image of the splash zone. A little neat for little kids. You're gonna have your obstacle course, rope course, putt-putt, and all basketball course. So pretty cool little area to just kind of chill over here. Down here you have another pool section. This one's kind of a little more chill, but still has vibes. And here's the hours for mini golf. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And it's supposed to get here early in the morning. It was not so windy, but here's what you got out here. It's a little mini golf course. You got this big old thing right above you. And also for references, if you're on this trip, 1 mile is 10 laps on the course. So this is the low lap here. So you can start here, go 10 laps around, and you'll get a mile in. So that's pretty cool. You want to exercise, but for me, I do not exercise on my trips. I just eat food and have nice drinks. And here is the Frog Bar. Shout out to these three guys for keeping everybody hydrated and not thirsty all day. Okay, while we're on the tour, here is the Frog Tea. Also, you can get this cup for $15, and I got that on day one of the ship. So that's a pretty good little drink, and you can bring your cup up to them and they'll fill it up with alcohol. But make sure you got the drink package though. Okay, so while on deck 9, you got your guys' burger joints. One of the best burgers we got here. You got your tapas bar, and over here you got your tacos. And here's another shot of the Blue Iguana. Okay, and over here you got the Blue Iguana Cantina. You get chicken, fish, and pork, tacos, and burritos. Then you got your little salsa bar over there. Pretty good little place. Okay, and up this floor here, it's a Italian restaurant, and you do need a reservation to get up here, or you can always call and see if they got any spots open. And I did not try this place, so I couldn't really tell you whether it was good or not good. And continuing on deck 9, you're going to have your pizza. And it's actually a pretty long line to get pizza. About 20-30 minute wait just to get pizza. The line's actually pretty backed up right now. And over here you'll have your bar. Okay, that's going to conclude deck number 9, 10, 11, and 12. Deck number 8 and 7 is just going to have your verandas and your suites. So let's go check out the rest of them. I do take that back. Actually, 6 is also rooms as well. So we're going to actually go down to deck 5. Okay, so here on deck 5, you got the casino, and also you have the Skybox Sports Bar. Pretty cool little place. Hang out and get some alcohol and pretzels. Well, on the way over here is going to be your game store for all the little places to play at, and there's a shot of the candy store. Okay, on this little section, you're going to have all your little jewelry stores, pocketbooks, and fragrances. Come on over here, and you have the Liquid Lounge. You have all the shows and all the other kinds of like comedy and their big main show they have. They only had about one night, but for tonight's been a pretty cool Sunday. Last night actually had Deal or No Deal, and I wish earlier I could have signed up for that. And same thing on the other side, you got all your Carnival merchandise over here. Where's all your basic Carnival merchandise you need, like t-shirts and jackets and anything else you kind of need, cups and all the other good stuff.
Let's get ready for the show! Everybody, one time! Thank you, show is over. Good evening.
Good evening.
I say good evening.
Good evening!
Welcome back, this is Benjamin speaking. I want everyone to stay with me the last night. Oh. It was a pleasure to have you with us. My team and I are happy to serve you in this cruise. Before we start, I want to introduce you the most important man. The man who never sleeps. In charge with his team to cook more than 50,000 meals a day. Our executive chef, Mr. Derek. Everyone, big applause for Chef Derek and his team. Thank you. So Chef Derek, I have a question for you. How was the food? Thank you, Chef, for delicious meal. Thank you so much. Now it's my question. How was the service? Who had the best waiter in the house? Sorry, I can't hear you. Who had the best waiter in the house? Please, don't take him home with you. Thank you. So in 24 hours, you will receive an email from Carnival Cruise Line. Don't worry, don't need to pay. It's a survey. It's take 5 minutes from your time. Please mention the name of the team. It's helping a lot for the promotions, for the rains, and for the extra offs. And please let us know how much you enjoy the food and the service with us. Dining room staff, they have a farewell song, but I need your help. Everybody switch on the flashlights from the floor, please. Everybody switch on the flashlights. stay on the same page. Whatever happened in the ship, no, it's on YouTube now. Thank you for choosing Carnival for this vacation.
Okay, so we're gonna do a room tour of the 6th floor. Okay, so here's a little room tour of where we were staying at this week. Nothing fancy, just like an interior room, but honestly it was pretty good. Here's the bed. We were actually playing phase 10. Got our bags all packed up for tomorrow. It was actually pretty spacious, more than I thought it was gonna be. Got your little TV here and all of our junk. You got a closet right here with a safe and compartments here and a bunch of hangers. You got another closet here with some more hangers. And we actually stored our shoes in here. You got another closet here. And I was actually able to put all of our shorts and all that kind of stuff in here. And you got your life preservers. You might need, you never know, you might need to know the boat. And I'm gonna show you all this right here. This was actually in our room the day we came in here. This is, I think because we did the faster to fun, I think that's why they left us on our room. So that was pretty cool that Carnival did that. But here's a little AC climate control. Behind the bed, they actually had 2 more outlets, and we'll zoom in so you can see that right over there. And also had to switch for the lights. You get your 2 drawers here, tables. Come in here, and here's the bathroom. You had all your stuff in here. You got your little shower, and well, that was pretty much it in here. Like I said, it was nothing fancy, just enough to come here and sleep and rest, and that was it. You know, we had a good time on the boat and all that good stuff. But like I said, just wanted to give y'all the full room tour. That, like I said, couldn't really detail too much on it. Like I said, just a standard interior room on the 6th floor. Honestly, the only con I can say about it is I couldn't tell the difference between night and daytime. And like I woke up in the morning times, and sometimes I didn't even have my phone, so if I didn't look outside, didn't know it was 8 o'clock. So I slept in a good bit. So, but from that was really my only con. From that, I really enjoyed it. Never really got rocky in the boat in here where I didn't feel like, you know, I needed a window or anything. So like that, guys, from that, it was pretty good. Okay, here's one of the other stations here. It's called Lucky Bowl, and here's some stuff you can get. Looks like they already got this up for breakfast out in the morning, but you can get lunch and dinner here too. But the lines stay pretty packed. Okay, so one last place I'm going to show y'all before we end this video is such a restaurant. It's the deck above it, and this is actually for walk-on guests only, but you can come here for breakfast and brunch during sea days. Okay, so here is the Skybox Sports Lounge. During my 4 days here, this is actually where I hung out most of the time, getting to watch all the college football games and all the other sports you got on TV. They got 4 channels here, but over here, the guy actually brought his film projector on, hooked up his phone, and they're able to watch the FSU LSU game. So that was pretty cool to see that. All right, guys, so that's wrap up the full tour of the Carnival Sunrise. I had a great time these past 4 nights, but it's time for me to go to bed and call it a night, and got a long drive tomorrow. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.